Brush, 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 brush. Nice. That's good. Okay. I have a package. And I think I know what it might be. And if it is, we need to open it together. It is. God. Yes, it is. Oh my god. Okay. I'm not even sorry for how much you're about to watch me lose my goddamn mind. I don't want to see it. I'm trying to get it open without seeing it so that I can have that like first reaction moment. Okay. I'm assuming this is... Oh no, this is part of it. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. So, this is the Bésame Cosmetics, I'm going to get all up in the camera, Bésame Cosmetics Snow White palette. And you may know that I am lucky enough to also have the Sleeping Beauty palette, which is so beyond beautiful and I use it all the time. This came all the way from America. I got it on eBay and it is in pristine condition, and it even comes with the Bésame bugle. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is... Guys, oh my god, this is massive. Look at this. So it explains the whole collection. It explains the really, really beautiful like history behind the palette. It has a little word search in it, a little piece about Adriana Castellotti, and then a full explanation of the palette and where each of the shades come from. Because the really cool thing about this palette is that all of the shades are from the original 1937 ink and cell animation, which is unreal. For those of you who aren't aware, Snow White is not just my favourite Disney film of all time, it's one of my favourite films of all time. I love Snow White so much that I did my dissertation on Snow White. Okay, I have done research. I'm obsessed with it. I think it is a masterpiece of cinema. I think it is one of the best films to ever be created. No, I will not accept criticism or notes in any way. I will actually also judge, like genuinely, legitimately judge your media literacy if, depending on how you look at Snow White. I said what I said and I'll say it again. Oh, it's so beautiful. It looks just like the book. It has beautiful raised designs. Oh, this is stunning. This is so stunning. And then when you open it up, she has a little mirror. Whee! really gorgeous proper mirror that you can use to actually do your makeup. And then it has this gorgeous little illustration of Snow White and where all the colours come from. Oh wow! It has a little tutorial and then some history on Snow White and the creation of the palette. And now the thing I think we all want to see. These are so beautiful. Okay, sorry. So these are the shades. They are all completely matte shades. There are no shimmers or anything in here. And just look, these colours are so incredibly beautiful. These are going to be so perfect for creating really beautiful, true vintage looking makeup looks, and I can still play around with all of the really fun colour that I love to do. The eyeshadows from the Bésame Sleeping Beauty palette are my favourite matte eyeshadows that I think I have in my collection. They're so buttery and pigmented and so long lasting. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna swatch a couple of these. Oh yeah. Even from I just did a white, but even from just the second my finger hit that pan, it has that buttery, smooth formula. Let's give this blue a go. This is, ooh, that's a really pretty blue. 4 blues in this palette, and you can see from this swatch that they are all different blues. They're gorgeous. Ooh. Now that finger's going to be blue for the rest of my life. What is that? That's really pretty. Ooh, it's like a soft, oh, that's so pretty, like a muted, oh, that's gorgeous. We're gonna try, ooh, look at that. This is a gorgeous red, really. It's like red, pinkish red shade. That is so beautiful. One of the colours I was so excited for is this one right here, which is this beautiful pastel yellow. Oh, it has a really gorgeous formula. Okay, let's see if I can do this on camera. That's so pretty. It's really pastel-y. Close to the colour of my skin, so it's kind of hard to see on camera with how fair I am. But on the eyes, I think this is going to be, oh, this is going to be so stunning. These colours, wow. I don't... Snow White is so special to me, and this palette just feels like such a beautiful memento almost. It's so stunning, and I'm so happy that I have it. I'm so happy. Thank you so much to the eBay seller who sold me this, and thank you to Bésame for making it in the first place. Yeah, I can't. This is definitely coming on holiday with me. Oh my gosh. Hopefully I will be able to do a tutorial soon incorporating that beautiful palette. but if you want to see the eyeshadows in work, definitely follow me on my Instagram. I'm going on a trip to Poland next week, and that is definitely one of the palettes I'm going to be taking with me. It's so perfect, and I cannot wait to use it and to try it out. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media down below. I am very active on Ye All Day Instagram and TikTok, and I also upload a lot of shorts over here, and sometimes you get really gorgeous full-length videos like this. I love you all, and please remember to have a lucky life, glamorously lived, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah. It's so beautiful that it actually hurts. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm almost definitely getting a cold. Don't have enough battery. Now I do. I mean, the really hot take is, I feel like you can tell how well-informed someone's feminism is by if they try and call Snow White creepy or not, but I don't think you're ready for that discussion.